Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful handmade pebble painting ideas. These are super stunning, very beautiful and very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. This is very amazing, this is very unique and super incredible pebble painting ideas for you guys. Must enjoy this video. Paint your pebbles with your own ideas. These are super amazing, these are super unique and very beautiful and very amazing and very stunning. Pebble painting for you guys. So guys, follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique collection for you guys. So take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.